If you have lost a password for your Ubisoft account, how you can simply regain the access. For this, you should type on your browser to regain and recovering your Ubisoft account. Firstly, on the official, as you can see, there first is you can choose any of the following matches. Like if you forgot your account details, you cannot access, you are facing error, unable to pass two-step verification, or any other issue. Firstly, whenever you will click on it, then simply it will redirect you to the home page or on the contact us option of this account, Ubisoft account. Here you can simply enter your email address that will be used to recover your account. Simply enter your email address. If you have lost your password, then you can enter the username that you're trying to recover. Simply enter it. And then what was the email address associated with your lost account? You can enter the email address that is lost your account, and here the PC activation key. If you have registered PC activation key, then you can simply enter the key in this menu on this section. You can also add the external account link from the profile. You can add the username, and then also you can add the platform details in this menu. You can also enter the additional details related to your account, like any other detail you want to add or anything you want to add that will make specific that it's the yours channel and they can trust you and they will give you the access again from your account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.